How to delete multiple contacts on System I/O. How to delete multiple contacts. In this video, you will learn how to delete part or all of your contact list. To get started, you will need a System I/O account, a list of contacts. Sometimes it can be useful to delete contacts that are no longer used. Deleting all contacts. Click on Contacts, then click on Contacts in the menu. Number 1 in the image. Next, click on the Select All button, number 2 in the image, to select your entire contact list, and click on the Delete, number 3 in the image. Finally, click Confirm, number 4 in the image. If you want to delete your entire contact list, a second confirmation pop-up will appear. To make sure that what you really want to do is permanently delete your entire contact list. To confirm this, just click on Yes, confirm and delete all my contacts, number 5 in the image. Deleting multiple contacts. Activate one of the filters to group your contacts in a list, i.e., by tag, by date of addition, etc. For example, if you would like to delete all contacts with the eCourses tag, activate the eTag filter. Number 6 in the image, then select a tag course from the list of tags, number 7 in the image. Now, only the contacts that tag a tag course will appear in the list. Click on the Select All button, number 8 in the image, to select the entire list. Then click on the Delete, number 9 in the image. Click on Confirm to delete the selected contacts, number 10 in the image. Did this answer your question? We do provide onboarding help if you join System I/O with our affiliate link. http://10year-com/review-system-io. Find more details on https://help-system-io/article/308 how to delete multiple contacts.